15 hours.
Geopark.
Chicken here.
Okay. Sausage. Bago kami ng ref man. Green na. Stinky tofu.
Kaya milk.
190 sa atin. Rice noodles.
Oyster omelette.
Oh, nagsama pa. Morning. We're heading down for breakfast. Kakaroon ng breakfast dito around 17. Quick lang. Kasi
Ay, ito, katukin ko na kaya.
we have a tour today. North Coast tour. So,
Tapos na kayo?
11 yung...
Ano na lang kami, pasabay na lang kami sa
sige.
11. Dadaan ba kayo? Or gusto niyo yung danbing? Hi guys, it's 10:41 and ganyan nakahaba yung pila sa Pop Mart. Hi guys, it's our second day. It's 10:42 and weather is 20 degrees daw, pero ang lamig na naman. Ganito talaga sa Taiwan. So pag nakikita nyo na mataas yung temperature, like 20, 19, malamig pa rin yun. As in, malamig yung hangin. Malamig sa Taiwan. Kaya favorite namin dito. As in, if you want na there na malamig and mura and no visa, Taiwan is the key. So, there. We're here in 7-Eleven and nag-withdraw si Beibu using our GCash card. And we'll buy lang breakfast. Andiyan na yung danbing? Wala. Okay. Wala yung danbing. Parang ano lang yun eh. Yung mga street food. So, wala siya. Kaya, 7-Eleven run na lang again kami for breakfast. Kasi may tour kami ng 11. There. And, yan. Wait. Pork floss. Kami masyado nakapag-vlog yesterday kasi sobrang pagod na. 15 hours. Grabe yun. What did you buy?
Oat latte.
We bought breakfast in 7-Eleven.
Sakto guys, if you get coffee sa 7-Eleven, they have oat latte and oat side pa.
Wow.
So, not bad.
Sir, going back sa hotel kasi tatawid lang kami for the tour. And we booked the tour sa Klook. Klook nga, yeah.
We got our North Coast tour through Klook.
Yeah, dati kino-commute lang naman yun kasi mas masaya, maganda yung view.
Thanks to Marvin sa Macros vouchers. We got 3%.
Wow!
Hey!
Hindi yung... Hi! Natawid. Good morning!
Good morning. Maaga kayo nagising?
Oo.
Diyos ko, ang dami ko sinabi, hindi ka na-record. Book na po, diba? Really ko. Hi guys! So, we're here na sa pick-up point. They're friends na.
Hello!
Morning! So, pick-up time, our meet-up time is 11:15 dito sa Siemens Station, exit 5, the blue line. Here. That's the exit number 5. Dito lang, I think meet-upan talaga to ng mga tour groups. Kasi may Korean group din. And I think parang Hanggo or Korean yung tour guide nila. Anyway, it's the North Coast tour nga for today. And isang tawid lang siya from the hotel. Diyan kami beside Westgate Hotel. So literally like 30 seconds lang. Dito na kami sa meet-up point. So we'll update you when we get there. First stop I think is Yellow Geopark.
Breakfast and lunch. Brunch na pala to.
Nandito yung sayo sila.
We're waiting for our bus. Kaso 12 pa daw.
Sabi, 11:15 meet up.
Kaya nga eh. Kung alam ko lang, di sana. Wait, let's eat.
Ay, shucks. Kalimutan ko na naman. 1, 2.
Okay, ay, wala tayong chopstick.
Meron.
Thank you. Let's eat now.
86，再加我的手机号码，好，再加我的手机号码，好。1 hour, let's stay here 70 minutes, okay? Second start, Indo-Geology Park to Shifeng all the 3, okay? 50 minutes, let's stay here 1 hour. Third start, just 3 minutes from Shifeng all the 3 to Shifeng Waterfall, just 3 minutes by our bus, okay? By our bus, just 3 minutes, let's stay here 50 minutes, okay? Then last stop, Shifeng Waterfall to Jiufen, 1 hour. Then stay here 2 hours. Then come back Ximen Station about 1 hour. Okay, I think it's 1 hour. It's okay. So we arrive there about 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Maybe nicer because today we are late. Half hour. So
we're here na, guys. Matulog na naman ako.
We're here na sa Yelyu Geopark. We're following the tour guide. Tour guide Amy. Here, welcome. Mag-picture yata dito tapos magdi-disperse na tayo kanya-kanya na. So 1 hour kami dito.
Sa ibang ganito mas malamig.
Sa Heping Park.
Pero ganyan din, pero mas malaki na.
Rock formation din.
Amy, walk 5 minutes left side. You can see this one. This is Taiwan. Here is Kilo, Taipei, Taichung, Kaohsiung, Hualien. This is nature. And from here, you can see this one. Crescent. But you must walk 7 minutes. Arrive there. If you take photo, you must walk. Go straight. Walk 7 minutes. You can see this one. Crescent. Or you can decide. Return. 3 minutes. You can see this one. Few places. Okay, but it's up to you. So, if you take photo, you must go to second section. Okay?
Okay, we're here. This is yung parang shoreline. Eroded na yan, kaya ganyan na yung mga shape nung ano ba to? Stones. It's zoomed in lang, but let me zoom it out so you can see. Yeah, dyan lang. This is our second time ni Tish going here. The first time we went here nung first time din namin visiting Taiwan. Sobrang hangin lang, but we're very lucky kasi talagang laging umulan dito from December to ano daw laging nagre-rain dito? March. December to March. So buong winter and spring nila umuulan lang dito. Which I think is true kasi when we went here the first time noong December 2018, napa-raincoat kami ni Tish. Yan. Nice pa rin. Ganda talaga yung weather. I'm wearing 2 layers lang naman. A pullover, colored pullover, and a down jacket. Yan, nice. No? Teka, let me show you guys. Ayan. So, ang dami nyo na rin makikitang videos from TikTok and YouTube about Yellow Geopark. Dito namin siguro pupuntahan yung Queen's Head. Basta mag-take kami ng pictures dito. Of course, Queen's Head looks different from the rest of yung mga formations nga. Kasi nga, parang Queen's Head siya. But, kasi, parang for us, pare-pares lang naman iba-ibang shape lang.
Wow, vlogger.
Basta yun.
Ay, picture natin sila. Picture namin kayo. Tapos picture din tayo, babe.
Okay. Oops, careful. Ayun. Lucky pa nga kami it's not raining, oh. Kasi if it's raining, sobrang maputik. Ay, hindi pala nga pala ito putik. This is, stone. Matigas siya, oh. Kasi nga bato naman siya, eh. Oh, ayan, matigas siya. May basa-basa lang kasi nga, syempre, weather is very good. Dulas lang, so be careful. Here.
Hi, so we're done here. Kami lang. we took few shots lang. Hindi na kami pumunta dun sa Queen ba yun? Sa Queen's Head. Sa Princess lang kami. Kay cute Princess lang kami kasi kay Queen's Head I don't know. There, you can see. It's far. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo. Pero far siya. So, yeah.
So, kahit 7 minutes walk lang naman.
Kahit 7. Pero nakakapagod. Diba ayaw nga naman naglalakad?
Wow, taray! naman dito kasi pleasant naman yung weather.
Yeah, hindi kami sporty. Anyway, we're going to eat. Hanap kami ng coffee shop or meron ditong restaurant sa labas eh. Nakakain na kami doon before. Mga chicken.
We still have 20 minutes naman.
Taiwanese chicken. So, yeah. Ay, paikot-ikot. Yeah, it's me again. So, yeah. It's cold. Nakalagay kanina sa weather 20. Pero now, hindi naman to 20, guys. Hindi pa ako nag-heat kasi 20 daw. Pero,
para naman, 18 lang.
Ah, talaga sa lamig nito. Anyway, pag lamigan kayo, be prepared, like me. Pero pag hindi naman, okay na siguro yung jacket. Yan lang.
Pero marami nagbabubble jacket eh.
Yeah, okay lang dito pumarma, guys. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Yung sinasabing Baguio feels, hindi yun totoo. Hindi siya Baguio feels. Malamig siya, I swear.
Okay, so buhay pa pala tong ice house. Nakikita din kami before here. I think may large fried, oh yeah, yan nga, chicken cutlet. Sige, we still have 25 minutes. Buy lang kami niyan. And then toilet.
Huh? Go. My first time. This is the video?
Yes, this is a video.
My first chicken here.
First large fried chicken for this trip.
Because wala nang hot star.
Wala nang hot star sa Cimenting. Chipay. And French fries.
Yup, adya kami.
So, let's go sa bus.
Basa?
What time na ba? 03? Sige,
20 daw.
Okay. So, mga 15. Punta na tayo. Sige.
Naka-take away kami, but here na lang kami mag-eat cause it's so cold outside. What's that? Fries and this one. We haven't eaten our lunch yet. It's already 2. And then next stop is 1 hour. 1 hour travel. Kasi sa ano na kami, Shifen, yung may lantern. Ayun yung pinapalipad na lantern. Wow. What a lunch.
We just got here sa Shifen Waterfalls. Siyempre wala pa yung waterfalls, banda pa doon. Mga 2 minutes walk pa. So, ito na yung bridge. But this is not the bridge na nandun sa Shifen Old Street. Iba pa to, I think.
The waterfalls na.
Yan. Nice. That's it. Babe, huwag kang basta-basta. Ano ka ba naman? Hello? Yes. This is the bridge. Ala, gumagalaw. It's moving. Babe, hindi naman ito nagsishake masyado, diba? Bakit ngayon? Dami tao. Pwede ba yun?
Ano pala nakikita natin sa train?
Yes. Babe, bakit? Nagsisway yung bridge eh.
Of course, it's a bridge.
Yeah, pero hindi to usually ganito kagalaw. Ay, kahit na first time ko pala dito sa bridge na to. Ayan na, nag-ambon na.
Walang ano doon, Lily.
Ay, medyo ang fast ni Amy yung tour guide namin. Pero ang dami namin nadaanan ng mga bilihan ng souvenirs. Yung mga sausage, fruit shakes. Sabi niya, later daw yun, una daw to mag-picture. Kasi you tend to forget na daw to take a picture ng falls. Kapag inuna mo yung sausage and yung mga snacks and yung mga souvenirs.
Sige ba ba?
So, yan. Wow, it's nice here pala. Medyo umaambon na, pero okay lang. Yan. So, yan yung falls. Ito nga din alam saan mas better yung... Baka kung saan tayo pinatawag ni Amy. So, ito baba tayo, wait. Kinsara.
Hindi mali. Ano, shen, shen, shen.
Sheng, shang, sheng, shang. Okay, since we still have 50 minutes, almost an hour, mag-snack muna kami. Yan. And then, yung friend namin will get yung sausage para fast-fast kami mag-order. This is big squid?
Big squid.
This one's small squid. Babe, babe. Tish. Tish. Wait. Big squid or small squid? Sige, sige, sige.
Small only. You want the ba?
Yan yung big. Babe, yung nakabuka ka, big squid.
Yeah, big one.
Big squid.
Yeah.
Yung small squid, yung...
I don't like.
Oh, ayun. Okay. So, big squid daw. Meow. Big squid, 1. 180. 180, okay. Okay, 180.
Kasi,
Spicy. No spicy.
Big squid, 180.
okay. Uy, girl. Wow! Thank you. Magkano to? 60. Dapat ka ganun na.
Kaya nga.
Hindi yung masungit na ate. Masungit yung tindera nito. Meron siya. Ayun o.
Dapat kasi, di mo pa alam yung price, nagbabayad ka na.
Dapat pala nung sinabi. Oo nga.
Dapat, wala ka.
Dapat pala nung ginanok siya. Ninihaw ko kasi.
Nihaw ka na nga, masungit pa rin.
Where's my order?
Alright, updates. We're here na sa Shifen Old Street. A few minutes away lang from Shifen Waterfalls. Pero naka-bus pa rin naman kami. Medyo may onting walk lang kasi from the parking lot to dito sa train tracks. Here.
Anong piliin yung number?
There. Yan yung mga lantern. Yan. There.
Kailangan ba natin ng pili?
Tapos ito yung mga stores. Here kami sa another bridge. Qing'an. Yeah, that's the other bridge. And yung free ice cream namin. Sese.
Second floor.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So 5:45 bus, huh? Okay.
5:45 bus. Okay. Lantern daw kami.
Binili mo?
Yes.
This is the free guys.
Peanut
Dito wala
ice
tayong
cream.
susulat, hindi siya.
喂，哎，那个你，爸，你等一下，我再问他确定一下，这2车来了，第7组来了，你再给他收钱。好，我问一下啊，等我一下，哎，你在楼下。
250. Okay.
Thank you. Anong color yung red? Ay, anong meaning ng red?
Finish.
Okay, help.
Finish.
I don't know. Ay, no, ito taas. Arthur, help. Dito lang. Taran mo ng spray. Baka sus mo ha. Help.
Ano meron sa green, babe?
Help, peace.
It's 1, 2, 3, let go, and the together hug video.
Hug.
Yep.
After let go and then
Yep. Okay, look up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let go. All right, together hug. Together look up.
Touchdown. Jiufen Yeshe. Jiufen Old Street. Binaba lang kami ng bus. 2 minutes walk from the main entrance na Jiufen. Walking, going to the entrance. Here is Baibu.
GoPro MD.
Before, lagi lang namin to din-DIY. Madali lang to get here. Bus lang from ano ba? Chongzhang. Parang ano ba? Chongzhang. Zhongzhang. Before. Basta, lagi lang namin to din-DIY before. How much?
Gulong.
Want kasi namin mag-buy ng sleepers for the bathroom. Eh, wala kasing sleepers, siyempre. Oh, truck. May truck. Babe, may truck. Stop ka muna. Love the smell. Sarap. Baka lang amoy, babe, no? Yan yata yung famous na pineapple cake. Ito, look. Yeah, grabe. Bagbag. Bagbag nila. Oh. Bagbag ng pineapple cake. Sorry.
Ano ba na anime? Hindi ba yan si ano? Yan. Maraming saya na.
Can you hear me, guys? I'm using the mic. Okay. Sausage. Ito yung famous din dito, yung mga taro balls, hot and cold. Iba-ibang balls. Wow, stinky tofu. Wow. Ay, masarap yung coffee dito. Naka-siphon coffee. Yan. Iba-ibang beans. Mga tea and milk teas. Ay, tea nga to. Tea leaves. Ginger tea. Mango fruit jelly. Basta naman.
Pero may free daw ginger tea.
Try ko nga kasi baka yung throat ko What time? 7-Eleven? 8:50?
8:50, okay? Health ginger tea.
Okay. Is this good for, Amy? Sa throat?
Take a try.
Ginger tea. Thank you, Sese.
Picture kita.
일단 혹시 펑리수 찾는다 하신 분, 펑리수 여기.
Baby ginger tea na yung binitimpla natin sa bahay. Di ba ang Korean? Di ba? Yung, alam mo yung nauso yung sa coffee bene? Yung malaki. Oo, masarap yan. Braised pork rice.
Parang adobo na.
Ganyan siya, there. Durofan.
Adobo na may itlog. Dami tao.
Yeah.
Napupunta tayo nila mga
Oo.
na may hanap yung taro.
Is that all pineapple?
Sobrang punong-puno ng tao, guys.
Oo, parang may ano pa, may sholok na. Tapos may noodles. Diba gusto natin ng beef noodles?
Sana masarap sila. Never pa tayo nag-try dyan. Lagi natin kita. Cafe nga pala yan. May food din sila.
Nag-ano siya, nagsasound.
Nagsasound. Nagpo-flute. Wow. Clap daw, clap. Wow.
자, 어떻게 보면 이 안쪽으로는 여기 들어왔던 골목에 반복일 수 있어요.
Oh, nagkaroon na rin ng shoe store dito, babe.
Ay, ayan na, di ba masakit na pa ako?
Galing. Baka may mga nakasale. Rubber siya, no? Pwedeng mabasa.
Bye-bye. Thank you. This is 790 and this is very good.
Oo, parang 790 parang 1.
Ayun ang mga sandals ka na lang, slippers lang talaga.
Lo, bakit mo pinag-chinela si ano? Ayun,
Hindi. Kasi kung pauwi naman na rin tayo at masakit lang.
ba yan? Hindi yan. DM? Hindi.
Hindi. Brand. Taiwan brand daw eh. Asa masakit na ang paa.
Ayun, nagkit yung brown. Pero pang ano eh. Pang ano ata. Okay.
Maghahanap sila ng shoes. First, ang galing ha, kasi may ganito na dito sa Jofen. Well, last. Punta natin 2 years ago. And kaka-open lang, kaka-loosen lang ng mga restrictions noon 2 years ago eh. So, ang daming tao. So yun nga, ang daming tao, which is good. Yung last punta namin, hindi masyado, even here. Kasi nga, yun nga, lift lang ng restrictions, di ba? Ganda, ang saya pag maraming tao. Bayad lang kami ng ref mango. Sige, cute naman yun. Taiwan. Kay tita. Ay, kay tita.
Ay, ang Taiwan.
much ba? 90. Babe, magnet ba ito? Formosa. Gusto ako ito sabihin dito. Ano itong Formosa?
Ah, okay. Akala ko inaano mo.
Recording.
190. Babe, balik mo din. Oh, nalang mama. Ang cute to si Chance. At saka si Kuya. Ayun. Oh. Babe, bili ka nun. Ayaw mo.
Get kami ng keychains. Cute eh. Okay. Okay.
Sweldo niya. 1468.
Sige, tatry ko. Wait lang. One more pabalik. Lapit ko muna. Babe. So nag-right na kami from the main street ng Juven Old Street. Kasi when you turn right, dito na yan pababa. Pa Amay Tea House. Very aesthetic talaga dito. Ang nice sa mga lanterns here. Diba? Ang ganda. And until pababa. So yung mga 2 minutes pa Amay.
We're done.
Green na. But that's the Amay Tea House. And wala nang tao kasi it's raining.
Saan nyo gusto mag-eat sa Amay Tea House? Pero tea house yan.
So, hindi...
Ay, dyan, oh.
Base, sobrang daming tao dyan. Tsaka yun nga, tea house yan.
Bakit? Ito rin. Ibig sabihin na, hindi naman ang maulan. No, babe?
Stinky tofu. 50? 45 NTD. And...
Sugar.
How much?
140.
$140? Thank you, kasi babe, oh. Hold them. What are you having, babe?
Papaya milk.
Anong lasa?
Papaya. Not matamis.
Walang
Masarap
milk?
yung sa Kaohsiung. May milk.
Ah, okay.
Pero masarap.
Down here sa Jofen, saraduhan kami ng mga kainan, like rice na na food. Nagharap kami ng iba pa. Kasi 8:50 pa yung pick up ng bus. Ito na kami outside. 7-Eleven. Jofen. Yeah, foggy na.
Hello?
Pay na. So, okay. Please wait. Ang nag-80 plus 190 sa atin. 90
Hi guys, so
plus 30.
done na yung tour namin and we're eating here
285.
sa, what's the name of this one, babe?
Tian Tian Li.
Tian Tian Li. Pinipilahan to. So, na-try na namin to before and we're trying it again kasi kasama namin sila Jessa so para matry din nila. Ayan. Ang sikat dito is, I think, yung oyster omelette nila and mga Eurofun. Ay, ayan na, bilis. Kaka-order pa lang namin, ayan na agad. Yeah.
Nasandok lang.
Ito yung laman ng ano ko, pork slaw.
Say with egg na ba sila?
With egg sa'yo, di ba?
Meron mo lang.
Okay.
Ito yung egg noodles. Ito yung rice noodles.
So, ano mas gusto mo, sis? Okay lang ako kahit ano. May oyster omelette.
Okay.
Nag-oyster omelette kayo.
Ayan kay Jen. Ito yung sa'yo. Picture ko lang.
Oh my god, yan na guys. Oyster omelette, lurofan, noodles, meatballs. Okay, let's eat. Full? Kasi nga akin. Thank you! So, this is ano guys, inom kami. One for the road. One for the road. Anong name na to? Shimen Taiwan Beer?
May beer bar.
Cheers!
Who are you? Wow, very good. Can we stay there instead? Here? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Going home. Diba? Ganda ng midnight sa mga matatanda ah. Mais. We're back sa hotel. Airbnb, whatever.
Tapos, si Steph lasing na. Nag-book ng hotel sa tabi ng dagat. Layo. Oo. Pangalan ng hotel niya, Rainbow Hotel.
Sa tabi ng dagat?
Hindi namin kasama, pero ibang Rainbow Hotel yung binook niya. Tabing dagat, nakita ko yung map. Ayaw siyang tanggapin yung driver kasi daw malayo. Malayo pala ng Seoul.
Baka sa Busan, sa Busan.
Ano nag-book ng hotel? Wala siyang hotel.
We're back.
Wala siyang hotel.
Meron, pero lasing siya. Mali siya lang nag-book.
Oh, nagsama pa. Bumalik pa rin yung isa din.
Ribs! Uy, breaded na naman. Parang masarap yan ah. Hulas pork ribs.